Okay, we just had a bunch of rain, really heavy rain, just about a minute or two ago. It's about 10 right now. Notice I'm inside, not outside anymore, because it's raining quite a bit. It's really soaking wet out there. I mean, maybe you can see it. There's a bit of a creek right there on the edge of our road and puddles forming in our yard. So let's swing over to this window, see if we can see anything. Yeah, it's just soaked out there. I mean, sorry you have to see through the screen, but yeah. Last time I talked to you guys, or it was what, 6, 7 o'clock? I don't know. It's at about 10 o'clock right now. So 3 hours. We've had a few inches of rain, maybe 1 or 2. But it's like it comes and goes. It's just, you know, waves of rain, and then it's completely clear. So it's just non-stop. Rain, sunshine, rain, sunshine. So it's quite annoying. I have to go check the mail, but yeah, that don't seem like it's going to happen anytime soon. We're just now, the sustained winds are about 20-25, but we're just now getting gusts up to 39-40 miles per hour. And that's tropical storm force winds. And it's 10 o'clock, and they're saying it's supposed to get closer to us later this evening around 5, so we got quite a ways to go. Right now it's kind of calm, raining heavy, but that's about it for now. It's hot and humid now, with all this freaking rain. And the next video, or videos I show, because my camera can't zoom in while it's doing a video, it's I don't know, some cameras can, some cameras can't. This one can't. But see, there it goes, picking up rain again. Can't tell if you can see it very well, but it's raining a little hard out there. I mean, earlier you couldn't see barely the house across the street. That's our neighbor's house. You can't hardly see that because it was raining so hard. You know, it was ridiculous. I'll show you some of the video clips next, if I can remember to show it to you in editing. I kind of just jumped up out of bed and came out here with the camera. I was like, record! So, if I remember to put it in, you know, when I edit this full-length video, it's turning out to be a full-length video, about 3 to 5 minutes per shot. So, but that's it for now. I'm going to go and try and get some sleep. If this rain lets up a little bit, maybe. But I don't know. I'll be back later. Yeah.
This window closed?
Yeah. This is just one of the outward bands. goodness. I was here earlier, and it said it was about 10. It's about 10:30, 10:40 right now, and as you can see, it's blue sky. I mean, it's completely, well, not completely clear. We've still got cloud there. Still got some clouds over there, but it's still all patchy. I mean, freaking, this is really annoying because it goes from extreme heavy downpours to, you know, clear skies. And then again, in about 20 minutes, it's going to be raining again. So, this is a little creek in our front yard, or in front of our driveway. So, you can hear the wind. It is strong. It's like gusting up to 30 miles per hour. But I mean, see, now we got puddles all in our yard. Yeah, that's all water. I need to take out these solar lights and the mailbox. They don't do very well in the wind. Hell, it don't do very well standing on its own in calm conditions. But that's my update. I'm going to go and try to sleep. I know I said I was earlier, but the weather's been crazy, and I'm trying to catch as much as I can on video, you know, so everyone can realize what we're experiencing. But that's about it for now. Neighbor's over there raking. I don't know why. It's just going to blow in the yard again anyways, but alright, that's it for now. Okay, it's about 6 o'clock on Tuesday. The wind's about gusting to about 30 miles per hour, 32. That's what they said on the Weather Channel. These trees though, the pine trees, they're just bending right over. You can see some of them, they just, you know, bend all the way over. You can hear the wind. It is quite strong. Earlier though, while I was asleep, apparently the wind was worse because there were some broken tree branches in my yard. Well, more than there were earlier. And there's a flag down there at one of the houses towards the bottom of the hill that it was completely shredded. I mean, totally shredded. One of the American flags, I guess they forgot to take it down before they left. I guess that wasn't on top of their to-do list before they left. But yeah, it's pretty windy. Had some pretty wild weather while I was sleeping. I wish I was awake to capture some of that, but, you know, like I said earlier, I was tired. These trees, I mean, this is what worries me. These trees just bend over so far, and, you know, I'm always worried if they're going to just snap, you know. But we've had quite a bit of rain. I can't tell you exactly how much yet, but currently we're in a tropical storm warning, I don't know. Let's see, we got a flash flood watch, a flood warning at some of the rivers around here. Not by us, a little further more west, but you know, we also have a tornado watch in our area, but over the bridge in Pensacola, they got a tornado warning. I just checked the Weather Channel before I came out here and said tornado warning. I'm like, great. So it's still quite active. I mean, we're not even going to get the worst of it till later. I don't think. Yeah, because we got more storm bands coming through. So it should get worse. Currently it's not raining, which is good because I can actually stand out here and do this video. But that's about it. I'm going to walk down this way, see if I can, you know, show some more trees bending over. These leaves are blowing around like crazy. Man, I'm surprised nothing snapped yet. I mean, that flag over there, like I said, has been shredded already. So got some water here. That's where it all drains off to, so the people here at the bottom of the hill are more prone to flooding than we are. We live at the top of the hill, so the road's been drying out for a while now. It stopped raining about an hour ago. So you can see back there some of the trees. They're just bent way over. And now that's a better view. You can see those towards the center left. Those trees are just, you know, almost 45 degrees over. And, you know, it's not blowing right now. They just rested at that point because it's blowing so hard and pushing on them. You see that flag? It's just been shredded.